Over walking time. I bring my missus down this way later. Not today. Next time I bring her for the hit there as well. Here as well. We do the videoing with everything, and I'll see if I can get it go fishing as well. So we can do the fishing bit on the pond here. Pond here fishing. Yep, now I figured out how to get there. To walk the woodland walk. You can get to the fishing hall. Yep. That's alright. That's alright. Got another spot to fish. Now we know fishing is fishing it there. Walk. Woodland walk at the moment. Woodland walk. Nearly done the woodland walk, guys. Nearly done the woodland walk. Yep, nearly done it. Nearly done the woodland walk. Nearly done the woodland walk. Yep, nearly done the woodland walk, guys. Nearly done the woodland walk. Woodland walk done, guys. Woodland walk done. Right there. Bye bye.